everybody, it's Bill. We have a westbound in a different spot. Now I gotta change it around. A little bit more wind, keep me a little bit more cooler. Looks like we have one engine. Not 2, 4, or 5, just one. And the way he's going, I bet you he'll just stop. One 011, the lone engine. That's nice. Hey man, how you doing? Thank you. Well, he couldn't blow the horn, but he did wave a couple times, so that was really cool. It's always nice when they do that. And of course the pole's in the way now. How are you going to stop? Well, let's flip around to the other side. Stopping now. Well, you can. You're the farthest track. Go for it. I don't know, this area here, they just like to stop. I just don't know why, darling. Just don't know why. We'll go to the other side now as smoothly as possible. Tell you, these viewfinders, they're not very good. Huh. That's why. We have another one. All right. Had to go take a peek. We have another one. This one's going east. Whoa, tippy. And here comes another one. This guy's really hauling too. Might be a little shaky on this one. Oh, that's very nice. I think after this, I think I'll go clean a building. Well, me and my helper, my wife. Goes a lot faster when you have 2 people. Or 3 or 4 if you can find them. Different looking cars. Huh. Alright, let's flip around. Oh, there's the other train on the other track. He's really going slow. Let's flip her around to the other side. The other train has stopped. Ah, there we go. Well, I think I'm going to have to end this one. The other train's not moving. The other train just left. Alright, well everybody, I'm going to go to work for a while. Everybody have a great Saturday afternoon. Bill out.